Hi guys, how we doing? Phil Kent here, bringing you another Affiliate Mentor Spark review video. And on this video, I'm going to go through the steps of how to get started. People often wonder when they join a program, what do I do, where do I go, and how do I get started? So on this Affiliate Mentor review, I'm going to show you exactly what to do and the easiest and best way to get started. So let's get right into it. So once you're on board, once you've registered and you've paid your $25, it's not going to break the bank. That's another great thing about this program. It is affordable to the masses. This is the screen that you will see once you get on board and log in for the first time. Okay. Now you've got two highlighted tabs, as you can see. You've got the Fast Start one here and 10x your income tab here. Doesn't really matter which way you start. Now the 10x your income video here will introduce you a quick welcome to the program, etc. And then it will cover very briefly and go into a little bit of detail of the optional upgrades that are available to you. And these are the VIP club, and they are a core membership as well. The core is either monthly or annual. If you're looking at it, by the way, take the annual, buy one get one free offer, 2 years for the price of 10 months. Insane value. But anyway, apart from that, you've got the top tab here. You've got the Fast Start. Okay, so you go on the Fast Start, click on that. Okay, and that's going to take you through getting up, setting up, and then you're going to go through the setup process. Okay, the setup process is all very straightforward. This is what I like about this program. Welcome to the step one of the account setup. It is linked automatically to GetResponse. So if you've got a GetResponse account already, all you've got to do is link it together with your API. If you haven't got a GetResponse tab already, and then it's just going to prompt you to open a free GetResponse account, and you're going to get it free for 30 days. There's no technical setup, guys. Nothing whatsoever. It's so easy. You haven't got to go into your messages and change your affiliate links and all that. Nothing like that. Okay, it's so easy to set up. You're basically going to get linked to GetResponse. It's going to guide you through on the screen how to find your API, how to get an API key. If you don't know what I'm talking about, trust me, guys, it's very, very simple. And then you literally just copy, paste what it tells you to do. And that is it. It is linked automatically, and that is all you will need to do. The messages you will go out on your behalf. They'll be coded with your affiliate link. It is so easy to do. It really is set and forget and a done for you funnel. Okay, so then after that, you literally just follow the steps. It's continue to step 2. And step 2 is welcome to step 2 of account setup. Okay, you're going to set up your e-wallet. The e-wallet is how you get paid. Very important. It uses Global e-wallet, which is a massive online e-wallet provider. Very well known, very trustworthy, very stable. You've just got to go through the basics of getting your account set up, doing that quick KYC verification. Guys, it's a legal requirement now. Just a bit of ID, confirmation, where you live, just to make sure you are who you say you are. And then you can sort of link your bank account and get that verified as well, and you get paid. Simple as that, and that's so important. Okay, when you've done that bit, you just continue to step number 3. Really difficult. Okay, and the step number 3 is to join the team Facebook group. Okay, and introduce yourself. Very, very easy. As you can do a basic setup, guys. This is all there is to it. Okay, so then when you're back on the Start tab, you can watch these videos. Okay. So it's going to go through the optional upgrades. It's going to go through the VIP there. Then you're going to go step 2. That's going to cover the core. These are optional upgrades. Okay, guys. We do remind people that they are not mandatory. Optional upgrades. They're going to go through the benefits of the core and what they involve and etc. Stuff like that. If you want to position yourself for maximum commissions and maximum earnings possible, upgraded is where you need to be. If you're quite happy just to come in as a $25 Spark membership, then hey, that's fine too. It's completely down to yourself. And then right on the end, we've got the step 3, which is commissionable traffic. The commissionable traffic is backed by Traffic Authority. If you've been online for any amount of time, you'll be quite aware of what Traffic Authority is. Traffic Authority is a leading premium traffic provider. It's not the cheapest by far. It's a premium traffic service, but it's been around for years, okay, for many, many years, okay, and it's very well respected, it's very well known, it's been around a long time, and it's high quality premium traffic service. So you just go ahead and link your Traffic Authority account. It'll be automatically done for you. It'll set the account for you. You don't have to go in there and go offline to a different website and register and all that malarkey. It's done all from your back office. It is so straightforward. It's so easy to get set up here, guys. And then if you've got a budget for traffic, start your autopilot traffic there. You can click that tab. It's going to take you through to the traffic options. And if you want to start some automatic traffic using Traffic Authority, you can do so. Okay. And then that is it, guys. I mean, that's how to get set up. That's how to get started. It really is as simple as that. Now, for our own individual team, our team leader is Edward Keat. He's got his own access to a complete set of done for you stuff. We've got our own capture pages. We've got our own funnels. He's got a team traffic rotator and all that. We should get on board with myself. I'll give you a link to that and show you how that is all about as well, and show you what it's all about. I'll probably drop another video below this somewhere, or depending on where you're watching this, it might be on YouTube somewhere, showing all our exclusive team content that you get for being a part of the team. I just want to focus this bit on getting started inside Affiliate Mentor itself. Now, once you get all your setup done, guys, then you're going to come over and you're going to hit the Spark tab at the top there. Okay, this is going to show you your matrix board, which you'll have opened up. Okay, and then you've got the Training Vault. Okay, you've got Training Vault right from the beginning. You've got currently got 17 modules there. These are really good. But the best part is over here, the Spark modules. This is where I highly recommend that you start, and if you bring any team members in on board, guide them to here. Go hit the Spark tab, hit the Spark modules, and go through this, the AI launch secrets. This is going to take you literally by the hand and tell you the best way to introduce the opportunity to others, and help you and guide you to getting your first 3 to 5 members on board and building from there. And each module takes you a step further as it helps you build up your business step by step. Okay. Now they have got a video here. I personally prefer these down the bottom here. The video is very good, but it's AI powered and AI generated to go with the program, and you get far more benefit using either the flipping book, which loads literally as like a electronic ebook that flips the pages onto your PC or laptop, or you can download the PDF. These are far better in my opinion because they've got all the images, they've got the details, it's all written, it's just easy to follow, and it really is clear, and they put everything in step-by-step program. Okay, it is very good, guys, and I highly recommend it. So get on board, get set up, get you verified, get everything in place. Doesn't take long at all to do. Then come over here, hit the Spark tab, hit the Spark modules, and go through either the flipping book or download the PDF and go through module number 1, AI launch secrets, and then just follow the process from there, because it's going to take you through the individual modules. And some modules you won't be able to get to straight away, depending on how far and how well you're doing with the program. That's the idea of it. You don't want people jumping ahead. I want you to follow the program, get yourself on board, get your first team members on board, get your first commissions and things like that, and then move on to the next module. So that's about it, guys. I don't want the video to be too long. This is the easiest and fastest way to get started with the program. So get yourself on board. If you're already on board, if you're part of the team, welcome to the team. Thanks for joining. If you're not, the links are below this video somewhere. Get on board, reach out to myself. We'll help you in any way possible. Every now and then a really good program comes along. Every now and then a really good platform comes along with great ownership, great backing, and affordable to the masses with huge potential. And this is one of them. Do not sit on this one. Trust me, it's a good one. Whatever you're doing, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers and bye for now.